Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to view your subscribers on YouTube using your mobile device. So let's get started. Currently, you can see your subscribers on YouTube app. So what we're gonna do, we will use a web browser. First, open your Google Chrome. Then search YouTube Studio. After that, hit enter. Tap YouTube Studio. It will ask you to direct to their app. Just ignore it. Now, make sure that you are in the right channel. At the bottom, you can see the recent subscribers. Tap see all icon to see them. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.